Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to add an animation text on your video clip by Capcut application. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your Capcut and prepare your project. While I already have my project here, and I would like to add a text for this video. So to add a text, you just need to bring this straight line into the specific positions where you want to the text start to be appear or pop up on your screen. And after that, you just need to take a look on this button features, and one of them called text will be right here. You just need to go click it, and now you just need to jump into the add text. Now you just need to type the text that you want to have on your video. For example, today okay, I got this. And after you're done, you just need to go take a look on this specific part right below this section. Now you just need to scrolling this part into the left side, but before it, I would like to suggest you to go into the fonts to find out the best fonts that you can apply it for your text, so that your text will not gonna seem boring. So for example, this. Okay, whenever you got the best font, now you can just go jump into this animation to add the animations on your text. And now there will be three options: in, out, or loop. So if you want to have animation in the beginning, the way how this text appear, you just need to go click in the in section and scrolling down while finding which animations that you want to have for the text. Okay, let me find it first. I would like to go with this one, slideshot. And then you just need to wait until this animation is being applied into the text that you already created. Okay, now we can also adjusting the speed by drag it into the right side to have a longer duration, so that your text will start applying slowly. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button and just check the result. So that's the way how to add animation text on a video. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.